Local electrician. Not only do we offer electrical installations, maintenance, and repairs to the local area, we also call this our home. We have served the local area since 1966. We provide quality electrical work and believe our customer service sets us apart from our competitors. We are committed to providing the latest technology, highest quality products and superior customer service. This strategy is what sets us apart from our competition and has made us leaders in the electrical contracting field. Skilled local electricians offer all your residential electrical needs. From new construction to pre-existing homes, residential repairs and troubleshooting, we have a proven track record of experience. Local commercial electricians experienced in all areas of commercial electrical contracting. From new construction and remodels, to everyday electrical maintenance, our staff is ready to offer quality electrical service. We can provide a design/build service for projects with value engineering for a complete electrical design. We have a full line of equipment including a bucket truck, excavator, and scissor lifts allowing us to guarantee the quality and performance of our work. We believe in performance, value and quality for our customers. We take great pride in our company reputation for quality performance and excellent workmanship, and have always enjoyed a successful relationship with general contractors in this area and also out of state. Our electricians will travel within a 60-mile radius from Boulder, Colorado to perform electrical work. Call us today for all of your local commercial and residential electrical needs.